Shortline will. It's so real. So real. So real the train can see every single time we go for a ride. Where the room is. So let's see how real this looks. I hope you enjoyed the opening of it. Here's the box. Priority mail again was delivered at 5 o'clock or 4 o'clock or something. We will open this now. Which side do I open from? This one? This one? No. Oh, this one? Yeah. That's the easiest opening. At the easiest opening. Have the scissors. Can I have the scissors? 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 Mom! Thank you. iPhone performing down perfect. No, Maddie, no! You! Down so they don't see this. Because I'm doing because for my privacy. Mommy, my grandma ordered the wrong hopper card. Can we order the Canadian Pacific hopper today? Can we order? We'll ask her if she's booked out. We'll probably have to bring that back, Mommy. A week. Probably have to take it. I went down so they don't see this. Because I'm doing this because for my privacy. I went down for this though because for my privacy. I got 2 cars this week, Maddie. One on Thursday and one on Saturday. Mandy, dog! Mommy has somebody else's Canadian Pacific train card. Can we order a new one right now?
Not right now. We'll see.
They gave me the wrong one, Mom. The Canadian National one. Can I have the Canadian Pacific one? Can we order it? Mommy, I have no they gave me the wrong one, Mommy. I like a different train. I got 2 cars this week, Mandy. Oh, yeah. All right. Now we can. Maybe because of this, because of my privacy. Can we go? Can I have a stranger's Canadian Pacific train car?
No.
Do I have no?
We're gonna be grateful that we got trains, and we're gonna say.
Now we can put it back up. Do I have no Canadian Pacific stuff right now? Here is the order paper. And here is the train car. The Canadian National Hopper. I love the Canadian National Hopper. Look at that! Look at that! It's so real! It's so real! It's so real! Let's open them. this one, CN 2015. Look at this, everyone. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool? Yeah, I've been waiting a long time for some of them. It is cool, guys. Yep, because this is the one we've been waiting for months to come on sale. Canadian National Hopper. Yep, and we got it. The Canadian National Hopper. I wanted this one in 2019, Mommy. We got it. I can't believe that we got them. Right, bye. See you in the next video.